Good morning, Dr. Drake. Today's topic is something I feel very strongly about, the complete ban on plastic. I believe it should be banned worldwide.
Good morning, Tara. That's a bold opinion. But before we jump in, tell me, why do you think banning plastic entirely is the right step?
Because plastic is destroying our planet. Oceans are filled with plastic waste, animals are dying after swallowing it, and even our food and water are now contaminated with microplastics. Don't you think it's time to stop it completely?
I agree that plastic pollution is a huge concern. But banning it completely might not be practical. Many hospitals, for example, depend on plastic equipment for hygiene and safety, syringes, gloves, tubes, and packaging. How can we replace all that overnight?
I understand that, sir. But can't we replace single-use plastic with biodegradable alternatives? Many countries are already using eco-friendly materials made from cornstarch or bamboo. It's possible if the world unites for the cause.
True, alternatives exist, but they are often expensive and not yet available everywhere. Developing countries might struggle to afford such materials. What if we focus on reducing and recycling first instead of a total ban?
Recycling sounds good in theory, sir, but in practice, less than 10% of plastic is actually recycled globally. The rest ends up in landfills or the ocean. That's why I think only a full ban can bring real change.
You make a strong point, Tara. But we also need to consider human livelihoods. Millions of people work in the plastic manufacturing industry. If we ban plastic suddenly, many could lose their jobs.
That's a valid concern, Dr. Drake. But we can transition gradually, create new jobs in green industries like biodegradable packaging and waste management. It's not just about banning, it's about transforming our system.
I like that approach, a balanced transition instead of an abrupt ban. Perhaps we can start by banning unnecessary plastics, like straws, bags, and bottles, and invest in research for sustainable alternatives.
Exactly. Step by step, we can achieve a plastic-free world. The planet deserves it, and so do future generations.
Well said, Tara. I must admit, your passion is inspiring. Let's hope our leaders listen to voices like yours, and act before it's too late.
Thank you, Dr. Drake. Together, we can make Earth cleaner and greener.
Join the global movement. Reduce, reuse, and refuse plastic today.
Subscribe to our channel, share contents and comment in box.